We are living in a world of brands. So world's leading brands, I've just divided them into three categories. One, I'm saying religious brands. There are corporate brands, there is an individual brand. Even the gods are brands. As a brand, Hanumanji is power. Brand Buddha is ahimsa, peace, that calmness, everything. Amitabh Bachchan. Look at Rajinikanth. Dekha? This is the power of the perception that the brand has created. The moment when I said Amitabh Bachchan, the response from you was different. The moment I said Rajinikanth, your response have become different. Each one of you can be a brand. In fact, you are a brand. We all as a human being wanted to create an imagery of us. But there is something called as a visual identity. Every brand wanted to create a perception. So if you wanted to make yourself as a brand, better learn how to communicate. Decide your own style. Create your own perception. Decide what kind of a perception you wanted to leave it and consistently work towards it. You all are the best, the top brands of this country.